Let's get these hides onto the line. This grain quality looks extremely consistent. Check the thickness on this bull hide.
Only the finest bull hides make it to this table. Flawless natural grain, ready for inspection. This is only the finest bull hides are selected. Every inch is meticulously inspected, revealing the rich natural grain. This
The Black Bull Hide Factory stands as a testament to quality, producing the finest jackets in the world.
It takes years to truly master this leather. The thickness demands precision, but the result is a jacket that will last a lifetime.
The Black Bull hide is unique. It's incredibly durable, yet supple. You have to know how to treat it right from the start.
The black Simmental hide is unmatched in its quality. We meticulously inspect every inch before our master.
This piece is entirely handcrafted. Feel the weight, yet it remains incredibly supple, molding perfectly to the body.
This bull hide is sourced from the finest tannery in Italy. Notice the grain, completely unique to this jacket.
Remarkable craftsmanship.
The craftsmanship on this is exceptional.
It truly is.
Yeah.
Feel the weight of the hide. The stitching on this collar is absolutely exquisite.
Yeah.
It really is. And the leather is incredibly supple.
Yeah. The texture on this bull hide is incredible. It would be perfect for the new tote. Absolutely. And the way it drapes here suggests a softer structure for the jackets.
The grain on this bull hide is exceptional, perfect for the new luxury line.
We should use this texture on the jacket sleeves.
And the weight is ideal for the weekend bags.
The shoulder width is exactly 19.5 inches here.
Confirmed. The hide density on the sleeve cuff looks good too.
The shoulder width is exactly 48.5 millimeters.
Confirmed. That matches the specification perfectly. Bring it forward slowly. All right, looks good. Set it down.
Check this one for the Tokyo shipment.
Looks good. Make sure the customs forms are attached.
Black bull hide production is up. We need to maintain this pace to meet the European shipment deadline.
I think if we angle it slightly more to the left, the light will catch the texture better.
Yes, that looks perfect for the catalog.
Let's take the shot.
That's the one. Perfect fit. Now go out there and own the runway.
The zipper mechanism is smooth.
Confirmed. Ready for approval.
Excellent work.
to the Black Bull batch.
We did it! Did it!
Cheers to that. Amazing work, everyone.
We did it!
Yes, finally finished the Black Bull batch.
Woo!
Great job, everyone.
Move the pallets to conveyor 3. We need these hides processed before the next shipment arrives.